Basic Life Support BLS certificate. Register either for blended format or in-person class. Review every year and must be valid for the entire academic year. The BLS certificate course are only for the following programs listed below: Nurse 9250 Consolidation Continuing Education course, S113 Dental Assisting, S134 Dental Hygiene, and S400 Restorative Dental Hygiene. You may register for this course anywhere you like. You can see the Ontario WSIB list of approved first aid trainers. You can also check the Peak Excellence website, peakexcellenceshop.com. They offer certificate package for your program. Or you can check Vital CPR for BLS course, or the SOS First Aid, as they have many locations outside Toronto. For the list of other areas that offers this course, please check our pre-placement website and click on certificates, and you can see your program name and the certificate requirement for your program. Once you completed and pass this course, the agency will issue you a valid certificate that shows basic life support, and make sure that it's valid 1 year after the issue date. And you must download and print this and attach it to your health form documents. Once you completed this course, please make sure that you write down the issued and expiry date on your health form. Please note that our international students who's currently overseas, that you will need to register for this course once you are physically here in Ontario, Canada. Please read carefully the special note on your forms.